Guys, I'm on the Passat again, second bit that I'm repairing today. So I'm going to take you along for the ride now, so I like to bring this base on first and then we'll show you what we're repairing. So I'm going to spin you around now right fast and let's talk you through it. So 2 secs. On to the track rod end. Now, as you can see, that boot is doing nothing anymore, so it's letting all the moisture and everything in. It's no good. So let's get it changed now. So I've got the tools here, so you're going to see me do it on camera, because why not? Loads of noise, is that what I like. So I'll replace the nut anyway. You can use all sorts of ball joint splitters and all that good stuff on here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go old school, big hammer, going to give it a clout. Hopefully you saw that. And off she comes. So as it's off, I've already undone it. Right, so what I like to do is a bit of best practice. I know I'm going to be doing the wheel alignment after, however, it's always nice to count the turns. So full turns, 1, 12, 13, 18, and about 3/4. And that's it, she's off. And as you can see, it's kind of turned into a bit of grinding paste in there. It's not ideal, nonetheless. It's having a new one. So we're nice, we're back. So I've got all that cleaned up on the actual track arm itself. There's my new bolt. So I've got the actual bolt. That we can ignore that. That came with it. It's aftermarket track rod end. That's what the customer's opted for. And the new inside one. So that one will go on there nicely. And this is why we clean up the threads, guys. Like so. And because I've counted it, we can wind that all the way on. If you know you've done a good job, it's when you can wind that all the way on without actually using any tools. So we'll just we're going to leave it fairly loose anyway, because I will be doing the alignment. But before you do the alignment, you've got to let the suspension settle. So new part, and and that just threads in that hole, which we've got to turn the steering. It's quite hard. I'll bring you back. And just like that, we're in. It faces that way. So we'll get that on. Like so. Everything gets torqued, guys. Everything gets torqued. I'll get my socket. Just swapping my socket over now. Put it on, do up. That's it. Once you've got it squashed in there, guys, we give it a cheeky torque. So click, click, and then obviously that's loose because we're going to give it a wheel alignment. But that's pretty much how you change a track rod end on these VW group cars. So see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments what you think about the DJI. Obviously, I'm getting used to it, so there'll be a couple of little niggles and flaws and that, but hopefully we can work through them the more I progress with this camera. Other than that, guys, see you in the next one.